been a while.
Yeah, it has.
It's 2026 now, and I know on the channel it's been all over the place with, there we go, with content. I got a lot of content still. I got content from Michigan, and I got content from this year's UCRA. I always butcher the name of that. Pretty sure I said that wrong. And so let's go get Uncle Dougie, or Richard, and Alistair, and we're heading to Harmony Creek, Harmony Valley. Man, it's been too long. It's been too long. Let's go. Where are you going?
We don't go your toe strap through because it's straight down. It's going that thin ice. Oh, it's too thin. Break it. Back it up. There you go.
All the fancy gizmos and gadgets about locking diffs and stuff are great, but when they stop working, it's a pain in the ass. So we'll see. And right now I'm stuck in all open. Oh, see, maybe. Ha! Power! Oh, you're sinking. Those Vitera tires, I don't know. Oh, oh. Don't worry, the Land Rover's coming. Until he sinks. Hey, careful going down the hill. Oh, that's one way to do it. Knuckleheads.